that chap there.
Okay guys, so been wanting to do this a while. Finally get to unbox this fidget spinner. Whirlerz, so many brands, I don't even know what company it is, it doesn't really say anywhere. Finger fidgets, fast bearings, ultra smooth spins. #1 fidget gadget. Yes, of course it is, like that's kind of obvious, everybody knows that anyway. Ultra smooth, I think the only way they can get away with putting that is because there aren't any official government standards on what defines ultra smooth spins, and bearings are by definition fast. PMS, the company, don't know what that means. Anyways, so time to use it. It's really relaxing and satisfying. Doesn't seem right though.
Let's try something else.
Oh, you can even see my camera cord. Oh, cool.
How to use a fidget spinner. Ah, there we are. How to use a fidget spinner. Oh, you hold it between your fingers. Thumb and your index finger. Very nice. Okay, well now I know.
It's not a particularly good one. Particularly fast. It's amazing it balances on my finger. It's amazing it's still balancing on my finger, even though it's stopped. It's amazing that my phone balances on my finger.
Which is why I think people are a bit unscientific about things, because it's not amazing that it balances on your finger while it's spinning if your phone balances on your finger while your phone isn't spinning and your phone doesn't even have a curved inside. Of course we make our finger. Now, of course, your finger isn't square, but it does create a flat surface which the centre of gravity can be directly above, because your finger is
Fairly squidgy.
Which is the same thing that happened with my phone. So obviously it then balances and it can't just slide off. It just can't do that because of friction. The difference with fidget spinners though is once you start spinning them, they're not allowed to rotate because of the gyroscopic effect. I mean, if you want to know how that works, I'm not going into details there. But needless to say, it can't rotate like that because of the gyroscopic effect, and therefore friction would stop it from moving. For example, if we now make our finger into a pencil, we can then rotate it around this axis because it's a point and it will just fall off. And the trouble with it not being curved at all is the fact that it can just slide off and then fall to the ground, which is kind of useless. But you can apparently spin it on a pencil.
I'm gonna try it. It kind of stays on for a few seconds. Yeah. I assume if you look it up on YouTube you can, but I can't.
Whereas if we have a curved inside, it can't really move sideways because it just defies physics because it can't go through this point. So it cannot do that. So it has to stay where it's put until it stops spinning. So it's quite simple really. You just can't go through, can't go up to defy gravity. It's gonna stay on your finger. It's nothing complicated.
Anyway guys, to really celebrate 2017, I bring you the Robbie Rotten Fidget Spinner Bottle Flip. It just came off. I always knew he was evil.